So we're actually meant to be in Corfu now, and the holiday was cancelled. So obviously we're not in Corfu, but it's not too bad behind us, is it? Look, Hong, 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 where are we?
In Corfu.
No, we're not in Corfu. We're not in Corfu, but just have a look at that. Eh? Anyway, we're having a lovely, lovely time, aren't we, Hong?
Yeah.
Look, don't pick up your drug paraphernalia. Too much drugs going on here. Can't believe it. Look how nice it is. Wow.
I'm in the Corfu with the ship.
Hong, put it down. What is wrong with you?
Take home for the garden.
Back a bit. Keep going. No, face me and walk backwards.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going another 20 yards. I'm waiting for her again.
It's so difficult to climb up the hill though.
Come on, you're younger than I am.
I know, don't show off.
And I'm fatter. Useless. I am still on my feet.
Hold a stick.
I hold the stick. I hold the stick. No, get your hands off the stick, even though it's your birthday present.
Exactly. Point to the sea. Yeah. We in a Corfu heaven. We in the heaven. We in the sea.
We
Put a
in
hand up.
heaven. Hang on. Look.
Ship. Why is the ship so big?
They've been on TV last night, surely. Look, see?
Who is he behind there? No.
Bye. Bye.